The old version of you is your biggest enemy. And in the next 30 days, it's time to kill it. Your old self loves comfort. It makes excuses. It scrolls endlessly, skips the workout, avoids the hard work. That version of you is weak. And if you don't destroy it now, it will control your life forever. Here's how to kill it in 30 days. Step 1. Break the chains. For the first 10 days, you're not building the new you yet, you're killing the old one. Remove distractions. Delete the apps that waste your time. Stop hanging out with people who drain your energy. Say no to comfort. Every time you feel the urge to give up, remind yourself, this is the old me fighting back, and you cannot let him win. Keep it simple. 3 habits to stop in 10 days. Think about what are the most addictive habits that are holding you back. For most people, it's scrolling endlessly, eating junk, and sleeping late. I am sure 90% of people are doing these habits. I want you to take it seriously. No matter what, you should not do these habits in this 10 days. Step 2. Build discipline. This is where you start creating the new you. Wake up earlier than you want to. Train your body even when you're tired. Study when others are wasting time. Discipline isn't about motivation, it's about doing what must be done, even when you don't feel like it. Every day you follow through, the old you gets weaker, and the new you grows stronger. Step 3. Push beyond limits. Now it's time to do what your old self would run from. Speak up when you'd usually stay quiet. Push harder in the gym. Focus longer on your goals. Face the discomfort head-on. This is where the transformation happens. By forcing yourself into the fire, you burn away the weak version of you. By the end of 30 days, something incredible happens. You look back, and you won't even recognize the old version of you. The excuses, the laziness, the fear, gone. Instead, you'll see a person with focus, confidence, and power. Someone who finally has control over their life. That is the new you. So the question is, will you keep living as the old you, trapped in the same cycle? Or will you kill him today and begin your transformation? If you are ready to kill the old version of yourself and become the new you in 30 days, comment ready below. Drop your start date.